for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.